Don't come again. Gospel continue. We must preach this gospel. Make una dey see am. Una seaport be this one. Na seaport be this one. Understand? You come everywhere dey clean. See how road be. See road. Make una dey see road. No be this one. Then go dey carry. Then go dey see wetin una dey call that guy. He say him be very dark man. He say, oh, wicked don dey do road. When dem do all this road wey you see here, nobody, see person wey come snap photo. See am. Make una dey see am. Na better thing. As una no like better thing, Asare Dokobo and im people, una dey publish orders. No only una get money. See that big building wey dey there, na hotel e be. If dem tell you that hotel wey dey see, so people dey pay 30,000, they sleep there, 40,000, they sleep there. For this big hotel why they put my hand, so see am as a seaport to be. Make una see am. Make people wey dey for riverine area, make una wake up. See as una country suppose be. Make una begin to dey ask Asare Dokobo, Edwin Clark, why our place dey till like that? See other people place. Make we see wetin I dey see, my brother and sister. See wetin I want make una know. Na wetin Nnamdi Kanu say make una fight for una freedom. All the people wey dey get small money, wey dey take dey fight their pocket, to dey push for their pocket, go dey build hotel everywhere. They go for Benin Republic, go dey build the schools and the hotel. See am. See wetin dem deny you na money wey dem suppose do all these things for una. Both una governors, both weekend in colleague. See wetin dem suppose. Make una dey ask dem question. Say why our place no be like this? Why riverine area? Money una go dey park there? Apart from all you stuff, una go forget all. How much tax wey government dey generate from this place? If you talk, see road, no be photo. This one na talk and see. Then go bring contractor. Ask contractor how much. I see wetin we dey do. How much e be? Na so government dey do am. From now till so time. How long e go take you when una go take build and finish? Una go talk. If na 3 years, if na 4 years, that day reach, then carry key give person. Road don open. No be una own. Then go snap photo, tire. See make una dey see am. You see this side now. On top of sea we see there. All this one now, all these places now water. Then just na concrete. Then they put road on top of. Now on top of water with the waka since. So see this side now. Shop wey full there. Una dey see am. Shop wey dey there. If they tell you how much government dey make from those shop wey dey there, na on top of water dem build am. Both club or shops, na shopping mall dey there. Understand? People, foreigners, tourists dey come because of all these good things wey una dey see. So how much money una go dey make for those riverine area. Government, make una know, so government no be better people. See am. When dem dey do construction, you no go see photo wey dem dey snap picture. Na make I still dey tell una, make una wake up, fight. Na freedom. Make una fight for freedom. Say una need better thing. Una want make una place be like this, una go fight for freedom. Na him I say make I still tell una. Thank you from here. Abeg, make una subscribe to our station. Subscribe to our station, USB Gospel. Make we continue this gospel dey go. We no go stop. Okay now.